What's up, guys? It's the FixBroz, and today we're back at the shop and the Civic is all painted and the paint is dry, so today we're putting it together. So here's a quick look at the paint. There's a lot of orange peel, a lot of drips everywhere, and you can see over here. The clear coat started running. It's a lot here, but the good thing is not much dust got into the paint. We're just gonna wet sand it and then buff it, and it's gonna look nice. Now, one mistake that we did is we taped this around and then we waited till the paint will dry. And what that did, once we took it off, it chipped the paint here. Not sure if you can see that, but it's right here. It's just chipped, which is not good. That's one fail that we did. And going down here, there's no dent here anymore. It's really smooth. Then where we feathered in the paint, look at that. You cannot even notice the transition. It's so cool, it looks so good. So today we're ready to start putting the Civic together. So what I'm gonna be doing right now is putting on the taillights and the rear bumper and some of the trims around this area. So I got the tail light on. Now I need to put these on. So here we go, got the tail lights on, and also one thing I forgot to mention is that we got the front seat in while our dad was here because it's really heavy, and we got the seat back on. So now I'm gonna put the rear bumper on.
You stepped on a hater?
I stepped on a hater. I started crying, but who cares? Haters suck. Actually, you don't have haters.
You do have haters.
Got two of them. Luke and Joe. Finally, here I got the whole rear end on. The bumper is all clipped in, screwed in. It looks awesome. Look at the paint transition. It's literally the same. It's so awesome. Look at the bumper. It looks so good. The paint got matched up so well. We actually forgot to paint this piece. That's why it's a little bit off. But other than that, it looks good. We also forgot to put the fuel cap on. So right now we're gonna drive it in forward and start putting together the front. So here are the headlights. We did a full restoration on them. We re-clear coated them. They're really nice and shiny. And Tim broke off one of the brackets. He broke off the bracket right here, so we need to glue it on. Right now I'm gonna put the back seat into the car. Here's what's been going on for the last couple of hours. Tim got the locks from the original door into this door. I got the whole back seat in here, the trims around it, got the rubber sealant, the front. We're gonna do that later because Tim broke off the clip and it's still drying. And we need to get the doors set up right now, get all the locks into them, get all the door handles. So, glass, anyway. We put this door together entirely. It's fully functional now. This door, you see it put together, but I put the trim into here, the rubber seal around, and got the window to work. So the whole back part, the whole rear end is put together. So there's not much left to do. So I'm gonna do the front, the sides, some of the trims, and this door, finish it up, and we'll do that off camera.
The Civic is pretty much all done, put back together, but it has a few little drips that we wet sanded, and today will be the day we're gonna take it for a ride. So this is our first time driving it. Of course my dad's driving because we don't drive yet, and we're just driving it to check if there's any noises, and we're going to the brake light inspection right now. It's driving pretty good right now. It rides really smooth. The alignment is really good, but the brake light certificate shop, we went there and it was closed, so we couldn't do it today. We're gonna have to do it another day, but it rides really smooth. Everything works great, and it's pretty much done already. But you know, any project car is never done because there's always something else you have to do. For example, we have to sand this, and then there's probably gonna be a few minor things that we're gonna find after a little while of driving it around. Guys, go buy our merch because it supports our projects and everything we do. The link is in the description. Go buy it. It's really good. We got one. I don't have it here with me because we got the coat and it's really warm here. But also subscribe to Cookie Repair Project. He started a channel just recently. He got a project car, a Ford Fusion, and he fixed it up, and now he got another car. And just go check out his channel. It's right over here. And also subscribe to our channel because our goal for this year is to reach 5,000 subscribers by the end of this year. So go subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and if you did, thank you for subscribing, and then put a like on this video because it also helps support our channel. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.